milky glowing band crossing the night sky. The term is a transition of a classical Latin, in turn derived from Hellenistic Greek, short for Milky Circle. The history of the Milky Way galaxy. According to Democritus, proposed the Milky Way might consist of distant stars. However, Aristotle himself believed the Milky Way to be caused by the ignition of the fiery inclination of some stars, which were large. The visible central region of the Milky Way occupies an area of the sky that includes 30 constellations. The center of the galaxy is in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It is here that the Milky Way is the brightest. From Sagittarius, the hazy band of the white light appears to pass westward to the galactic anti-center of the area. The band then continues westward to the rest of the way around the sky. Of the Milky Way. The stellar disk of the Milky Way galaxy is approximately 100,000 light-years in diameter and is on the average about 1,000 light-years thick. As a guide to the relative physical scale of the Milky Way galaxy, if it were reduced to 100 meters in diameter, the solar system, including the hypothesized Oort cloud, would be no more than 1 millimeter in width, about the size of grain of sand. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be 4.2 millimeters distant. Alternatively visualized, if the solar system out to Pluto were the size of a U.S. quarter, the Milky Way would have a diameter of 2,000 kilometers, an area approximately one-third the size of the United States.
Now for the structure of the Milky Way galaxy. So the galaxy consists of a bar-shaped core region surrounded by a disk of gas, dust, and stars. The gas, dust, and stars are organized in roughly logarithmic spiral arm structures. The mass distribution within the galaxy closely resembles the type S-C in the Hubble classification, which represents spiral galaxies with relatively loosely wound arms. So astronomers first began to suspect that the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy rather than an ordinary spiral galaxy. In 1990s, their suspicions were confirmed by the Spitzer Space Telescope observations in 2005 that showed the galaxy's central bar to be larger than previously suspected.
The Sun is near the inner rim of the galaxy's Orion arm, within the local flap of the local bubble, and in the gold belt. The Sun is currently 5 to 30 parsecs from the central plane of the galactic disk. The distance between the local arm and the next arm out, the Perseus arm, is about 2,000 parsecs. The Sun, and thus the solar system, is found in the galactic habitable zone. There are about 200 stars brighter than absolute magnitude 8.5 within a sphere with a radius of 15 parsecs. Galactic rotation. The stars and gas in the galaxy rotate about its center differentially, meaning that the rotation period varies with location. As is typical of our spiral galaxy, the orbital speed of most stars in the galaxy does not depend strongly on their distance from the center. Away from the central bulge or outer rim, the typical stellar or orbital speed is between 210 and 240 kilometers. Hence, the orbital period of the typical star is directly proportional only the length of the path traveled. The Milky Way has been around a long time ago. The age of galaxy is approximately 13.6 billion years, give or take 800 million years. But how did the galaxy get here? What did the baby photos of the Milky Way look like? First off, there weren't always stars in the universe, and the Milky Way has been around forever. After the Big Bang happened, and the universe cooled for a bit, all there was a gas uniformly spread throughout.